This course seems a great opportunity to advance cloud computing skill I just talked about and continue building my career.
Tell me about yourself, your background, and your skill set. Also, you can mention from where you belong.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am originally from Mumbai City and I am currently pursuing bachelor's degree in computer science from Mumbai University as a third year BSc student.
Okay, right. So, to the next point, can you please tell me what was your objective to take this particular program?
I am now looking to gain experience in the world of cloud computing, a field I am passionate about because of its ability to engage the techno-savvy person.
Okay, right. So, let's talk about the training platforms. There are a lot of training institutes available into the market. So, why did you choose Intellipaat over all other platforms, and how did you hear about Intellipaat?
I come to know about Intellipaat when I was sitting at my desk unproductively figuring about which course is best for me. They could have just walked on by and left me to my choice. Instead, they pulled over a seat and went right to work with me. They really helped me out of my work slump. I also appreciate the way they use insights to develop a really seamless solution and has provided me benefits all around. I chose Intellipaat over others because the knowledge gained here is always a step further than what you aim for. The best is that you can always go back and relearn or refresh your skills.
Okay. To the next question, why did you opt for this course?
This course seems a great opportunity to advance cloud computing skill I just talked about and continue building my career.
Okay. Right. Is there any particular topic that you liked?
Yeah, in fact, the teachings were really great. And also my expectations were not only met; they were exceeded. This really helped me to see where I am going with this educational purpose. It has also helped me to determine that I made the right decision.
Okay. Right. So moving to the next question, has this course been able to fulfill your expectations so far?
Yeah, just like I mentioned earlier.
Okay. So how did you find about Intellipaat support team?
Intellipaat support is really cool. In doubt, you can Google any answers, but Intellipaat team will provide answers with understanding, which by the way made me more clearer to the topic.
Right. So let's talk about the enrollment time decision. So when you decided to go ahead with Intellipaat, so what was the thing that impressed you a lot? So you decided, let's go with Intellipaat.
The main thing that impressed the learner a lot to enroll for this course is that no other organization thus far will give you any hands-on experience. Intellipaat really did show me how the industry works, something that very few classes can provide.
Okay. To the last question, will you recommend anybody to our courses moving in the future?
Absolutely yes. Intellipaat is too important to ignore.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Joey. It was a pleasure speaking with you.